Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to this Java tutorial where we will be going over packages. Now, a package is basically just a group of related classes that are combined into one group. We use this to avoid name conflicts, and it is very useful to write better and maintainable code. Now, we did use packages throughout this walkthrough of Java, but I will go over it again because we didn't actually go in depth into it. So let's say that we create ourselves a new project. I'll name a main for now. So finish and on create, and here we have our directory. Now in the source, what we can do is we can create ourselves a new class, but instead of creating a class, we're going to create ourselves a package. Now if you create a class without creating a package, it will just create you a default package. So instead of creating a default package, let's create our own one. So we're going to create ourselves a package, and we will just name this, let's just say package 1. Okay, so here we have our own package. Now this will be created by default if you don't create it, but now we have. And let's create ourselves a class in here, and I'll just name this main. Okay, so here we have one class inside of this package. But now what we're going to do is we're going to create ourselves a second package, and we will just name this package 2. Okay, so now we have ourselves 2 packages. Now what we can do is we can create ourselves another class inside of this package, inside of the new package that we create. And we'll use the same class that we always use, which is car. And now you can see that we have 2 classes, but they're in 2 different packages. So these classes aren't really in the same folder. They're in 2 different folders. One is in package 1 and one is in package 2. Now, before we actually move on to package 2 and the car class, I'm gonna do a little demonstration on how we actually used classes before, or packages before. So in order to get the user's input, we need to use a class. We need to use the scanner class. But that scanner class is inside of the Java util package. So if we import that class, so there's 2 ways of doing this. So we can import, and now we have to specify the package that we want to import. And we want to import the java.util class. Alright, so this is the package that we have. And now we can specify the class that we want to import. So let's say we want to import ourselves the scanner class, for example. So what we have done here is we have imported the scanner class, which is inside of the util package. Now let's say we want to import this whole package, not just one class from the package. What we can do is instead of specifying the class that we want to import, we can actually just do a little star. And this star represents all. So we're going to import this whole package here. Alright, so this util package, we're going to import everything from here by declaring the star here. Obviously, if you just want to import a certain class, so just the scanner class, we can specify just the specific class that we want. So it works the same way with our own created packages. So this isn't a package that we created. This is just a default package that is part of Java. But let's say that we want to import this package here that we have here. So firstly, I'm going to just create ourselves a little class. I'm going to have a private string. We'll name a make, and I will just name a BMW. Okay, and then we'll also have a public. We'll have a public method that's going to return a string, and we're just going to say get make, and then we'll just return the make that we have stored. Okay, so I'll quickly go over this again. So we have our main class here, which is inside of this package 1, which is this one here. Then we have a second package here that we have our car class, which is stored in here. So the first thing is we can't actually call this class because it's in a different package. So if we try to create ourselves an object from that class, you will see that we will get ourselves an error because this class does not exist in our package. Now if we hover over this, you can see we can go import car package 2. If you click this, it will import this package. But I'm gonna write out how to import manually, just so, because it's very useful to know. So the way that we imported the exact same way that we did with the scanner class. So what we can do is we can do import. Now we have to specify the name of our package. So you can see we have package 2. So let's just write package 2. And now we can do .star, and this will import everything inside of this package, so all the classes. So you can see that the error goes away because we imported everything inside of this package, and this car class that we made is in this package, so we do not have this error anymore. Let's say that we have multiple classes here, but we just want to import just this class. We can just rename the star, and we can specify the class that we want to import. So now we have imported the car class, and now you can see we no longer get the error. So now what we can do is we can create ourselves a print statement, and we can call this get make method that we have in our car class. Get make, and now if you run this, you can see we get BMW. Obviously, if we don't import it, we will get an error because we have not imported this package, and this class that we are trying to use does not exist in our current package. So that's basically the way the packages work. And that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, hope this helped, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.